Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Openshot tutorial how to crop video. So as example, I will import files. You can searching for your video. I will import this video, click open, and then you can move video into timeline. Now to crop this video, you can go to effect and you can see we have this crop video. You can click, hold, and then you can drag into the video track. You can see we have this C icons for cropping. You can click the C icon and maybe show the properties. So in here you can crop by using this right size. You can click hold and then you can slide. I will crop again top size like this. The other option you can choose another offset. You can click at this point. This is for the offset. And then this is for Y offset. The top size and you can click here, view, and this is for track size. For bottom size, you can click in here for the bottom. And then this is for the left side. Okay, that's it for a basic Openshot tutorial, how to crop a video. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.